How to prevent freezer frost buildup.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss a common issue that many of us encounter, freezer frost buildup. A frost-free freezer can help keep your food at its best quality. Let's dive into the best practices to prevent this icy problem from developing in your freezer.
What causes freezer frost buildup?
First, let's understand the issue at its root. Frost in your freezer is caused by moisture coming into contact with the coils inside your appliance and freezing into ice. This typically happens when warm air enters the freezer, often due to frequent opening of the freezer door or poor sealing. The warm air increases the humidity inside, which then turns into frost over time.
How do I check for a proper seal?
A good seal is vital for keeping warm air out of your freezer. To check it, close the freezer door on a thin strip of paper. If the paper slips out easily, your door seal might not be functioning properly. If this is the case, you'll need to replace it. Keep in mind that a good seal is crucial to prevent frost buildup.
How do I organize my freezer?
Proper organization of your freezer can also help prevent frost. Avoid overfilling your freezer. Air should circulate freely inside. On the flip side, an empty freezer is also not good as it might cause the unit to work harder and lead to frost. Aim for a balanced, well-organized freezer. Also, always ensure that food is properly sealed or covered before you put it in the freezer to avoid introducing extra moisture.
What about manual defrosting?
If your freezer isn't frost-free, it's a good idea to manually defrost it when the frost becomes 1/4 inch thick. Unplug the unit, remove the food, and let the frost melt. You can speed up the process by placing a pan of hot water inside. Once the frost has melted, dry the interior thoroughly before plugging it back in.
Can I use gadgets to help?
Yes, there are dehumidifiers designed for freezers that can help reduce the moisture level. Using these gadgets in combination with the practices above can further minimize frost buildup. And there you have it. A frost-free freezer is within your reach. We hope these tips will help you avoid freezer frost and keep your appliance in good shape for many years to come. Remember, prevention is always better than defrosting. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more practical tips like this.